Hi, good morning, class 9. How are you doing? I hope you all are fit, fine, and rocking and full of energy, taking care of yourselves, being home, being safe. And hi to everybody you're seeing. I am keeping fine and I'm also doing good. But working every day for you all, and I hope we are able to, what do you say, uh, see all of us soon. There are some changes also during this study things. Now the thing of changes which are there of studies is actually now there's going to be an assessment. Rather, I would put it in that way. I'll be speaking less, or the teachers will be speaking less. You guys have to speak more. Means you will be assessed on basically what you are learning, what is your grasping power. It's not only about question answer. Question answers will be there. It has to be. See, if you play cricket, uh, you have to bat or you have to ball. Now it depends. What are you good at? Are you good at bowling, or you're good at batting, or you're a fielder, or you're an all-rounder, or you're good at a captaincy, or you're good at a vice captain, or you're good at a wicket keeper. You're good fielding at the fine leg, or the silly point, or the long off, uh, long on or long off, or you are in the gully or whatever. So you have to learn the cricket. You have to know about the cricket. You have to know its rules. You have to know its bad points, the negative points in cricket, what happens. Likewise, if we drive a car, if I buy a car, I must know what is everything inside that car. What type of engine is it? How far can it take me on one single drive? Or if I continuously drive, for how many hours will it be able to take me through? At what limited speed will I go? What's the consumption of petrol in it? And if a tire gets punctured, how to replace it? It's not just I buy the car. So it's not just you are into school. It's not just your parents are spending money for you. It's not about all that. It's about the education. It's about the knowledge. I am taking example of myself. I like to always place myself into an example position. Suppose I don't know studies. I don't have any certificates at all. But does that make me that? But does that make me illiterate? No. If that makes me illiterate, how am I sharing with you? I am not a box of knowledge. I gather knowledge. What I have learned has taught me how to gather knowledge, how to share that knowledge with other people. That honor I have learned. No one is a born teacher. That's why I can't call myself a teacher. I am not in that high position. Teachers are very high respected positions. I can share. I am sharing all the information I have, and all is related to you, which will help you. If anyone says that the information or with the knowledge which I give you, or the how I help you out, that is of no use, then please tell me. That day I'll leave my job. Right? Because if I'm not fit for it, it's no use doing that. I should do something what I'm good at. So the school example again on myself. So school management has given me this responsibility, obviously. So there's something inside it. All of us are working. There are many teachers working and all. But I don't like to call myself a teacher because I have not reached that position. To take that position, it's a big thing. But I can follow that. I can try to become. I can try to reach that position. I'm still struggling. I'm a struggler. I struggle every day. I keep on doing, then I perfect on it. I don't mind what people call me, what people say about me, but I know that what I know is correct because I look for it. I find for it. I question myself. I question books. Books are the best teachers. There's nothing bigger than book. If you know to read, you will know to understand. If you culture your brain in that way, you will know everything. A farmer, suppose, a farmer is not, a person who is in agriculture and farming is not gone to school so much, or is not knowing the adverse functions of the present time and culture or farming, suppose. But that farmer can look at the soil and he'll say, what type of soil is that? What will grow in that? Does it need water or not? What type of fertilizers will it need to grow that plant there? He knows it very well because that's his experience, that's his honor. He has done into it, he's dug into it, he's found questions from it. That's his book. Trial error process. We have to make mistakes to get success in life. That is what is needed. Basic thing. So if we know that, we can go ahead. Extensive reading is needed. Extensive reading. Keep on reading. If you don't understand, keep a dictionary with you. See, you are not wasting time. You are learning. When I travel by train or when I travel by air, it's always now I have not been traveling for a year. I am already here with her for a year now. It's already completed. So, but when I was in my other jobs, I used to travel by air. I couldn't talk too much. Or the passenger beside me will be not talking too much. They have got their own work. But in a train when I am traveling, you hear people talk so much. So I used to listen. I still listen. I like listening, I get a lot of information. From that information, I try to judge which information is correct and which information is not, and that only helps me is the books and knowledge. How will you seek knowledge? You have to look for it. For looking for that, you have to read. And if you read, you will get knowledge. So now assessing you, if you speak, I'll know, okay, this child speaks in this way, okay, 2 marks. That child is not able to speak, he has problem in this part, okay. But if you just pick up, have you understood? Yes, sir. Have you done the homework? Yes, sir. When I'm doing the correction, so much of mistakes. Okay, you must verify on this mistakes. Okay, you take the, yes, sir, we'll do it next class. I'll write it properly. And next class, you write it properly without any mistakes and all. You bring it, I sign it. Again, it goes into the bag, it goes to the house, it comes out from the bag, goes to the shelf. Done. You are blank. Your brain inside is blank. Your copy is okay. Your copy is damn good. Your copy is doing success every day because it's being changed. Mistakes are happening. It's getting corrected. But your brain is not getting that. You're getting my point? Your copy is okay. Your copy cannot make you a good student. Your copy is going to say something else. When you speak, you're going to say something else. Ratifying and learning and by heart learning, I don't believe in that. Okay, for exams, why will I do something by heart? If I know that is inside me, I'm going to write that what I know. Be proactive. It said write in 30 to 40 words. Fine, I know that subject and I'm going to write about it. So that's what I'm going to do. Understand? So that's what's going to happen. Write about yourself. Which book will you go and look for it? Which book will you look for yourself? Myself, you all write in your childhood, no? Myself. Ask your mom, ask your dad, ask your grandfather, who are you? Then they'll tell you, write down the points and then you write about yourself. Then you write what you like. But what you like right now and what you liked in your childhood, you will not be able to say. Because your childhood, you will not remember. At that time, your brain was very low. You were not able to remember things. So that time, you have to ask your books. And your books are your parents and grandparents. They'll be able to tell you. Ask about your father. Your father will not be able to say a lot of things which your grandfather will tell you about your father. Simple. Logic. So we have to get to know things to assess ourselves, to prove yourselves. Suppose I am a place somewhere, some discussion is going on and discussion is in English and I have been put there. Obviously, I am going to score well because I know to speak. If I don't know to speak, I won't be able to score well. People tell me, please talk slow, take your pace down. I go fast because I am very affluent with it. It goes just inside me. It's built inside me. So I just keep on talking. I speak Hindi the same way, at the same speed which I speak English. I speak Bengali in the same way. I speak Odia, but it's in a lesser pace. I speak Punjabi. That's also. I try to learn. Every day is a learning. So we have to do these things in life. I've taken this video so far just because to tell you the chapter which we are going to do now is about the wings of fire, and it's about Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our former president of India, and he was a great struggler. The basic of this is, I was trying to tell you, you must know what you do. It's not what you are, it's what you do will tell you about you. No matter what you are rich, poor, anything, what happened? You may be not rich, you may be not the smartest person in the whole world, you may be not the good looking person in the whole world, but your work will prove what you are. He used to sell newspapers, he became news. Short type of what I know. He sold newspapers, he sold news to people, and he became news. People read about him. It's a very high thought thing. I hope you get to understand it. I'll come back in the next video. Thank you so much.